All right, finally, I want to talk about some things involving touch, because we haven't talked about touch too much. People aren't talking about it much now, but it is coming. So touch is important. Look at this video and think about it for a minute. We get some audio from audio people? Nobody taught this frog how to play this game. There was no tutorial. He just knows how to play because touch is incredibly primal. It's funny every time. Anyway, touch, it's part of the reason smartphones got so popular is this touch interface. It's so natural. A 2-year-old can do it. A freaking frog can do it. Because we've been touching things on planet Earth for 200 million years. That's how old touch is. That's how old it is in your brain. We want to touch stuff in VR. So how is that going to happen? We've already seen in the video game world, touchable things move product. Skylanders sold so many units because finally I could actually take my video game characters, hold them in my hands, and actually have them be in the real world. I could reach out and touch my characters for the first time. And so they made a lot of money with that. We're going to see the same thing in VR. People are going to want to touch the objects that they hold and the things that are in the world. So first, we're going to see a lot of low-end touch stuff. In short, by 2020, trackable props for VR and AR are going to be common. Partly because it's just a cool thing to do, but partly because it's a good business model. People don't always want to pay for software, but they'll always pay for some piece of plastic junk that makes sense. Look at Guitar Hero. That's why it worked, right? You could have done it with a game controller, but holding that plastic guitar is cool and actually touching it. It wouldn't be cooler if the plastic guitar wasn't there. This is going to be a good business model. A lot of people are going to do it, and it's going to add to the VR experience quite a bit.